Hi, thank you so much for tuning in and for watching and for subscribing and sharing. We're gonna have a discussion today about the issue of foreigners owning land in Kenya. I get that all the time, as is natural in the course of our business. And so this is my take. It's a very cut and dry issue. It's a legal question, right? So if you're a foreigner, meaning you were not born in Kenya, you're a foreign national either by birth or you're a foreign national by immigration. So you were born in Kenya, but at some point in your life, you moved to some other country and attained legal citizenship there. And your country doesn't allow you to have dual citizenship with Kenya like it does with the UK and so on. You are what the law considers to be a foreign national. And as would be expected, a lot of foreign nationals in Kenya or elsewhere would consider Kenya as an investment destination. Or maybe they came and visited and love the place, they want to buy a home and live here and settle here, hopefully maybe become a Kenyan citizen at some point in the future. Can you own land? And the answer, strictly speaking, is it depends. And it depends on the zoning of the property that you want to buy. Either it's under freehold tenure of ownership or it's under leasehold tenure of ownership. And basically what that means is freehold has perpetual ownership. You are the outright owner for perpetuity with no limitations on how long you can own the property. In Kenya, typically those are agriculturally zoned properties. Even though agriculturally zoned land can be leasehold, freehold properties are generally reserved as agricultural, right? And if you want to own freehold property in Kenya, according to the new constitution promulgated in 2010, you cannot own land in Kenya if it's freehold and you're a foreign national. Very simple reason behind that was to correct some of the historical injustices with land in Kenya for obvious reasons based on our colonial past. And there's a very intentional effort to ensure that only Kenyans own land for as long as freehold property can be owned, right? Very simple. Now, if you want to buy leasehold property, which is typically found in urban areas, yes, as a foreign national, you are allowed to own land in Kenya. Leasehold titles typically have a time limit or an expiration date, and those range, I believe, from 50 years all the way up to 99 years, depending on where you are. And as a foreign national, you can very easily buy that property. Your tenure of ownership would expire at the end of the stipulated time. Most are renewable, so if you happen to live longer than 99 years, you could renew it, or your children could. So it's very simple. I'm sure that that's very easy to understand. Again, you have to work with a licensed advocate of the High Court of Kenya who can help you navigate these waters to make sure that you're not running foul of the law. I hope that information helps. If you have any questions or comments to make, please feel free to reach out to us at www.goshenacquisitions.com. You can also check out our YouTube channel and subscribe and make sure you share. You've been watching Own Land in Kenya. I'm Solomon Wangwe. Stay tuned for more information on strategic land investment.